Hey guys, Brian here with Exclusive Paint Protection in Charlotte, North Carolina. And today we are working on this Ford F-150 Raptor R. Yeah, it's the big boy. And in this video, what you're gonna see is us applying paint protection film that is both clear, and we will be applying that to all the white painted areas. That's gonna be the hood, that's gonna be the fenders, that's gonna be the doors, that's gonna be the rear quarters, that's gonna be the tailgate, that's gonna be the roof. You will see that. What you will also see in this video is us applying Expel Stealth paint protection film to the fender flares, which is a satin finish. And if you have seen or one of our more recent videos of us doing a paint protection film removal and replacement on the Carbon 65 Corvette, then you're going to have a better understanding as to why we're doing some of the things that we're doing on this particular job and why we've gone to such great extent to remove some of the panels from this vehicle. Because if you don't, there is a lot of issues that you can have, and we want to go through that with you today. So the fender flare you saw me holding earlier, it fits here, right? And we've removed all four, and you'll see a close-up shot shortly as to why we've removed them. But essentially we've removed them because there's a lot of debris under there that will come out and get under the film during the installation process and will look unsightly. Similar situation here, we've already kind of loosened this. You'll be able to see under here all the dirt that is there. But not only do we want to have it removed for eliminating the possibility of dirt coming from under there, but what we also want to do is to maximize the fitment of the film. Now, in this instance with the fender flare, a close-up will show where the film would have sat, right? And it would sit. There's a possibility that it may not go all the way down to the fender flare when the flare is in place. So we wanted to make sure that it goes not just down enough, but we want to get it below the flare. And what that will do is ensure that we don't have an unsightly line of buildup dirt over time along that edge. We've also gone ahead to remove the weather trim right here. Again, you'll see a lot of dirt that just builds up in this area. And for the same reason why we have removed the items there is the same reason why we've removed it there. If you come in close here, you'll see where the film stops here. This is kind of just a very classic demonstration of what it is that I am trying to avoid. We've also removed the tail light here, and we've removed the tail light for the same purpose, which is to maximize the installation of the film so we do not have that unsightly dirt buildup over time as the film age and as the vehicle age. So one of the things that you're going to see in this video also is us demonstrating the cutting software that we use. We start with a pattern that is designed, custom fitted for the vehicle, and then we edit these patterns for our in-house preferences that gets us to extend edges as we choose, to tuck, to wrap around, so to minimize the chances of debris buildup and also to ensure that the film does not come loose. These are the small things that makes us exclusive and makes us different than a lot of others. Hey guys, thanks again for watching. We enjoy you taking the time to watch our videos. And the question is, why do we go through so much trouble to protect the paint of these vehicles that we are doing here all the time? Well, this truck behind me is north of $100,000. Okay, and it's for the owners of this vehicle. It's not just a vehicle, it's not just a truck, it's not just a car, it's a prized possession. And if you're buying a truck, if you're buying a luxury or exotic vehicle of any sort, it is only prudent to apply this paint protection film, these ceramic coating, and these window tinting services to your vehicle, which helps you to preserve the value of your vehicle, keeping it looking newer for longer, allowing you for ease of clean. And that is why we do what we do. You've got a question about these products, feel free to drop it in our comment, get on the phone, give us a call, shoot us an email, look us up on Instagram, follow us there, and we'd be happy to answer any questions that you might have. And more so, we'd be very happy to serve you and your luxury or exotic vehicle. Thanks again, and see you on the next one.